Ladies and gentlemen, today we're stepping back into the golden age of American camping, when trailers gleamed like jukeboxes, and the only smart device was your dad's pocket knife. Meet the 1954 Yellowstone travel trailer, a 17.5-foot or 5.3-meter aluminum beauty that's been restored so perfectly, I believe it could make even an Airstream blush. Before we hit the nostalgia highway, don't forget to subscribe to CampAvto. We've got more rolling legends, shiny restorations, and stories that smell faintly of gasoline and campfire smoke. Now, this Yellowstone was the top dog of its day, built by the Yellowstone Coach Company of Wakarusa, Indiana, a name that used to mean weekend luxury on wheels. Founded in 1945, they built campers for everyone from carnival workers to road trip dreamers. This particular model rides on a single axle with leaf springs, large electric brakes, and an anti-sway bar, all the essentials to keep you steady while chasing sunsets. It's compact enough to tow behind most cars, measuring 8.5 feet, 2.6 meters high, and 7.5 feet, 2.3 meters wide. What I like the most is how this trailer blends 1950s charm with modern comfort. The birchwood interior makes it feel like a cozy log cabin on wheels, while all appliances, including a Frigidaire fridge, Dixie stove, and large sink, have been upgraded to electric operation. The lights are now LED, and there's both heating and air conditioning cleverly hidden away so you can stay comfortable without breaking the vintage vibe. The layout is pure mid-century logic. A dinette for 4 up front, a central kitchen with enough cabinets for snacks and secrets, and a 72-inch, 1.83-meter rear bed for 2. No bathroom though, which my neighbor Bob says is part of the authentic outdoor experience. That's easy to say when you're not the one stumbling out at 3 a.m. with a flashlight and regrets. Restoration on this rig was no small feat. It was found abandoned in a Florida field, practically being reclaimed by nature, before being rescued and brought back to its former glory. The exterior still wears its red striped sides and buffalo coin artwork, like it just rolled off a 1950s postcard. Currently, this Yellowstone is up for auction in New Vineyard, Maine, with a clean Florida title and a build book to prove its pedigree. The highest bid so far? Just $3,800, about 3,500 euros. That's less than most people spend on a fancy tent nowadays. I think that's a steal for a trailer that's both history and home rolled into one.